Yeah, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I am Darren, of course, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Gyber Boulder steak grill. These things are really cool. They get up to 1500 degrees really quick. They're great for searing steaks and other stuff. We're going to open this baby up and put it to use. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, it was really easy getting this out of the box and putting it together. I really only had to put this little pizza peel that comes with it together. You just kind of screw the handle on. This comes with it, which is your tool to take your cast iron grate out, which is already in here. I had to put this little shelf on the front. It just slides right in. It comes with this square pizza stone, ceramic type stone. I guess you can put little pizzas on it and use it for that as well. Comes with your gas hookup here for your LP gas, and it's pretty easy set up. It does have instructions. Instructions are kind of iffy, but there's really not a whole lot that these have to them that you have to worry about. This little knob right here is where you put your AA battery for your igniter, and once you put your AA battery in here, this will, you can hear it sparking when you turn this knob to turn the gas on. This is where you put your hook your gas line into, and that's pretty much it. And it's got, you know, off, minimum, and maximum. It's pretty much it. So once you want this to go, turn your gas can on, turn this on, it'll light it, and put it to the setting that you want and let it run. So it's really that easy, folks. I mean, it's not a whole lot to it. Like I said, this is probably the only thing you really had to put together, was putting this handle on and just sliding this front tray on the front here. And that's it. This pan just kind of slits in the bottom, and this goes in any one of these that you want to. Your little tool here to get that out. Works just like that. So you can put your tray in and out without touching it. So pretty easy. It's got a little bottle opener on it as well. So that's it, guys. There's nothing really to it. Takes you maybe 10 minutes to take it out, set it up, and then you're cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move it over to my table. That's where it's going to be sitting from now on, over on this Keter patio table here. And I've got my gas can underneath here, hidden away. So that's it. We're going to hook it up, and I'm going to go ahead and sear something. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're going to check this out, see if you guys can see the flame. Pretty much just going to hold it down, and you see flame lit. Pop it up, and there you go. It's lit. You can see that in this light. Let me straighten you out a little bit here. But it is hot. I can feel it already. And then we're going to go ahead and turn the flame up. Now that should be the max right there. And I'm going to take my little infrared and kind of see if it'll give me any kind of, oh, it says 950, and yet it's over 900 degrees. So it's over 1,000. It can't read more than over 1,000. So there you go. It works. I'm going to take you back up top. I'm going to shut it back off so you can see how I lit it. All right, guys. So my tank, the gas is on at the tank. So all I'm doing now is turning the gas on here. And what you do is you push this down, and that'll get your igniter going. And then you turn it. And once you hit a certain spot, the gas will come on. And then you just lift it up. And then you can turn it from here. This is your minimum, and that's your maximum. You can turn it all the way to the max. And that's pretty much it. Your igniter continues to light. Once it's lit, you lift it back up. Then you can turn it to adjust your flame. So you want to make sure it's over here to the minimum level when you first turn it and lift it up. and then you can cook. So that's it, guys. Really simple, really easy to operate. When you want to shut it off, you pretty much just turn it, push it back down, and then hit it to the off side, and then it's off. Then you still want to remember to take and shut off the gas at the tank as well, just to make sure. But I don't know if you can see this, but I can. It's already hot here on the top, just from that little bit that we had it on. All right, guys, so I've seared a couple things on this so far. The first thing was a really big, thick chuck roast that I had cooked sous vide at 134 for 36 hours. Turned out really well. But right now I'm going to show you some sirloin steaks that I just did. I'll be right back. So I got some sirloins here that I've been sous viding for 6 hours at 134 or 132 degrees. We're going to sear them up on the Gyber steak grill. I'll be right back. Guys, this is my Gyber steak grill here, and I already got the gas turned on my at the gas can level, but we're going to go ahead get this thing going. There we go, it's all lit. I'm going to crank this thing all the way up to the max. It's got a max and minimum. It really doesn't have any kind of temperatures on there. It just goes from 0 to max. So we're going to fire this up to the max. Should be able to see that blue flame in there now. Getting all hot, ready to go. Shouldn't take very long for that to heat up. I'm going to give it a couple minutes, but as you can tell, it's pretty hot in there. So we're going to go ahead and grab our steaks and get them on the Gyber to sear up. All right, guys, it's time to get these on. See that glowing really red? And you'll see the fat start popping there at the top as well. We're going to do about less than a minute on each side just to get a nice crust. These are cooked all the way through because they've been sous vide cooked, so don't have to worry about cooking them on the inside. But you see that fat popping? Got a nice sear going, really good. We're going to go ahead and flip them over. About the same amount of time on the other side. You see that the fat's really popping on top. I'll be right back. All right, guys, well, let's finish this up here. This is a nice crust on it. It's my piece of picanha. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Check out the gorgeous doneness on that. Medium rare for sure. It's a little cold out here, so the air is getting to it pretty quick. Look at all that. Nice. Take a bite. Perfect sous vide and seared steak using a Gyber steak cooker. Thanks for following us on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you follow the Fire and Water Cooking YouTube channel for more videos like this. Check out the Gyber. I'll see you again on the next Fire and Water Cooking video. Thanks, guys.